Hello there, my name's Fernando and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. Most developers aren't security experts, but fixing SAST vulnerabilities feels like it requires them to act like one. GitLab changes that. Let's see how developers automate vulnerability remediation using Agentic SAST vulnerability resolution to automatically generate ready-to-merge code fixes without ever leaving GitLab. In order to enable Agentic Auto Resolution, go to your project settings and scroll down to the Duo section. Be sure to enable both SAST false positive detection as well as SAST vulnerability resolution. SAST vulnerability resolution automatically resolves critical and high vulnerabilities that are not detected as false positive. Next, you must enable the SAST scanner. This can be done via the security configuration. With one click, you can enable the default SAST profile, which adds advanced SAST to your project's pipeline. Note that security profiles can also be applied at the group level. Now let's go run a pipeline. When we run on the default branch, we see that advanced SAST is now running. When it completes, it will populate the vulnerability report. In order to access the vulnerability report, we go to the Secure Side tab and select Vulnerability Report. Here we can see all the vulnerabilities identified from our newly scanned project. If we navigate to the Activities section, we can see the likelihood that a vulnerability is a false positive. We can also see that merge requests were generated when a vulnerability is not classified as a false positive. The merge request is created with the proposed fix and includes a description with the vulnerability details and severity, explanation of the fix approach, links to relevant security resources, and a confidence score for the proposed solution. Note that the pipeline runs automatically to validate the fix. Reviewers can then review the changes and pipeline results, and users with the ability to merge the merge request can do so accordingly to their workflow. That's how developers save time resolving vulnerabilities with automated remediation, allowing them to spend more time shipping code. Try Agentic SAST vulnerability resolution today by signing up for a free trial.